before you design that fancy background for your Twitter page, remember that most people are probably not going to visit your profile page. They might visit it the first time they follow you, but after that, they will not return. That's just not the way Twitter is set up. In fact, most people are probably not even using twitter.com to follow people or to make their posts. They're using one of the hundreds of applications that can use Twitter. So let's take a look at a few of those. Let's start with TweetDeck. And if you're following hundreds of people, they are posting so many things, making so many tweets that you can't begin to keep up with the information, and it really just becomes useless. Well, TweetDeck lets you begin to manage that information and mine for data. TweetDeck will let you filter and search and sort, and it will let you do it in different columns. So let's take a look at some of my columns. The first column is just all the friends that I follow on Twitter. The second column, I've sorted it down to people that make tech posts and social media posts. So it just searches for them. Then I have a search for NCVPS. So anytime someone types in NCVPS, it shows up in this column. And you can hear whenever there's a new post on TweetDeck, it makes that Twitter sound, that tweet sound. So anyhow, with NCVPS, we have Melissa's post here. We also have one from a student. The student has typed NCVPS's down. And sure enough, that was when Blackboard was doing their updates on Friday night. And we have a post from Ellen. Here's the NCVPS post. Michelle goes on down the list. And I just have many columns. There's Guy Kawasaki. He's one of the leading social media experts. I have a column for Florida Virtual to see what Florida Virtual is saying about itself and what students and teachers are saying about it, and then just many, many columns set up. In TweetDeck, you can also tweet from here. And if you have multiple accounts, you can post to all of them. Even Facebook, it lets you sync up with. And if you have a long URL, you can type it in here and it will shorten the URL down for you. Let's take a look at the iGoogle page real quickly. Of course, you can follow Twitter on your iGoogle page, and there's several gadgets to do that. I use Be Twittered. It's just like being on twitter.com. You can see what all your friends are posting. You can see replies and direct messages to you, and you can tweet right from there. Another good program is Hootsuite, hootsuite.com, and Hootsuite will let you post on a schedule. If you want to post something later in the day, this is how you do it. And that's what I do for NCVPS. I do all of our tweets early in the morning and post them throughout the day. And this is also a good way to make your boss think that you're working at 2 a.m., 4 a.m., 7 p.m. Not that I would do that, but someone might do that. Okay, I've done that. And this is really just a handful of the programs out there. There's also applications that you can get on your iPhone or cell phone.